Welcome. If you've ever wished your Snapchat saves felt a bit more meaningful or just easier to manage, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you how to make the Save button store your snaps directly into memories, so nothing important slips away. Let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat on your phone. Once you're on the camera screen, look at the top left corner and tap your Bitmoji or profile icon. This takes you to your profile page, where all your personal settings live. Next, find the small gear icon in the top right corner and tap it to open your settings. This is where Snapchat hides most of its important controls, so don't worry if it feels a bit tucked away. Now scroll down until you see a section called Privacy Control. Under that, tap on Memories. This is where you decide how and where your snaps are saved. Once you're inside the Memories settings, look for the option labeled Save button. Tap on it and you'll see a few different choices for where your snaps can go when you hit save. Here's the key step: choose Memories. By selecting this, every time you tap the Save button, your snaps will automatically be stored in your Snapchat memories instead of just your camera roll or disappearing completely. This small change makes a big difference.